Hi students, my name is Gadaparthi Venkateswarlu. I am dealing Indian economy, AP economy regarding APPSC and other competitive examinations. In this video, I am going to discussing about gross state domestic product. You know very well about it. In economy, two things are there. One is national income and another one is Gsdp. National income is related to the country as a whole, but Gsdp, gross state domestic product, is also known as state income. What is a state income? Then the aggregate market value of goods and services produced within the geographical area of the state in a given period of time called as gross state domestic product. Here we have to discuss what is Gsdp. Gsdp is also known as gross state domestic product. The gross state domestic product is also known as state income. But economists given definition to the gross state domestic product. Gross state domestic product has been defined. It is an aggregate market value of goods and services produced within the political boundaries of a country in a given period of time called as gross state domestic product. This gross state domestic product has been estimated by DES. DES means Directorate of Economics and Statistics. During the fourth 5-year plan period, Government of India directed to all state governments establish Directorate of Economics and Statistics. So, by the directions of the Government of India, in 1971, the then combined state government constituted Directorate of Economics and Statistics. From then till today, Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been estimating Gsdp. Okay, sometimes a question may ask like this: who has been estimated gross state domestic product in the state? Directorate of Economics and Statistics. Okay, right. Okay, Directorate of Economics and Statistics given a definition to the Gsdp. According to Directorate of Economics and Statistics, an aggregate market value of goods and services produced within the geographical area of the state in a given period of time called as gross state domestic product. Right. As on today, in Andhra Pradesh, Gsdp has been estimated by Directorate of Economics and Statistics. Okay, right, come to the point. This Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been calculated for concepts in the context of the state economy. They are gross state domestic product at market price. The second one is net state domestic product at market price. The third one is gross state value added at basic price. The fourth one is per capita income. So, Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been estimating or calculating four concepts like Gsdp at market price, NSDP at market price, gross state value added at basic price, and per capita income. Right, Gsdp at market price. Okay, what is Gsdp at market price? Means gross state domestic product at market price. Means a aggregate market value of goods and services produced within the geographical area of the state in a given period of time, defined as gross state domestic product at market price. So, gross state domestic product at market price equal to gross state value added plus product tax minus product subsidies. If you deducted product subsidies and added product tax to the gross state value added, then we get gross state domestic product at market price. On the basis of this concept, Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been measured headline growth rate of the state. Headline growth rate of the state. Okay, sometimes a question may ask like this. As on today, headline growth rate of the state measured on the basis of A. Gross state domestic product at market price, NSDP at market price, gross state value added at basic price, per capita income. Answer is gross state domestic product at market price. Okay, this is the concept. The second one is NSDP. NSDP at market prices. Net state domestic product at market price. Net NSDP at market price defined as the aggregate net market value of goods and services produced within the political boundaries of a country in a given period of time. This can be called as NSDP at market price. Okay, NSDP at market price, one can compare the state economy performance with other state economy performances. Why? Directorate of Economics and Statistics calculated NSDP at market prices means to compare our economy, Andhra Pradesh economy, in and around states economy efficiency. Okay, how it can be derived? Gross state value added plus fixed capital consumption value, then we get NSDP at market price. NSDP at market price. Sorry. Minus NSDP at market price. How it can be derived? Gross value, then if you deducted fixed capital consumption value from gross state value added, then you get NSDP at market price. if you deducted product subsidies and added product tax to the GSVA, then you get Gsdp at market price. And then if you deducted fixed capital consumption value from GSVA, then we get NSDP. The third one is gross state value added at basic price. Okay, this concept has been estimated by Directorate of Economics and Statistics from 2016-17. Prior to 2016-17, DES calculated only three concepts, namely Gsdp at market price, NSDP at market price, and per capita income. But by the directions of the Central Statistical Office in 2016, Directorate of Economics and Statistics calculated gross state value added at basic price. Okay, if you deducted productive values from gross value added output, then we get gross state value added at basic price. By gross state value added at basic price, one can assess the productive efficiency of the economy by sector wise. Okay, the fourth one is per capita income. The average income of the citizens in a year called as per capita income. By per capita income, one can assess the standard of living of the people. How per capita income derived? NSDP divided by the state population, then we get per capita income. Okay, friends, as on today, Directorate of Economics and Statistics calculated how many concepts? 4 concepts. What they are? The first one is Gsdp at market prices. How is it derived? Then deducted product subsidies from GSVA and added product taxes to the GSVA, then we get gross state domestic product at market price. Why this calculated gross state domestic product at market prices? Because to estimate, to measure the headline growth rate of the state economy. So, on the basis of the Gsdp at market prices, the Government of India, administrators and plan makers assessed the productive efficiency of the economy. Okay, Gsdp at market price measured the state economy product efficiency as a unit. Right, Gsdp at market price is a consumption level. Right, the second one is NSDP at market price. So, by estimating NSDP at market prices, the administrators or plan makers compared the Andhra Pradesh economy, Andhra Pradesh state economy with other state economies and all India level economies. This can be arrived, deducted fixed capital consumption value from gross state value added, then you get NSDP at market price. Another one is GSVA at basic price, gross state value added at basic prices. Why? Directorate of Economics and Statistics calculated gross state value added at basic prices. By this concept, the Government of Andhra Pradesh or administrators or planning policy makers assessed the product efficiency of the economy by sector wise. Okay, gross state value added at basic price explained or revealed how much total product produced within the political boundaries of a country in a given period of time. So it says about production. The next one is per capita income. What is a per capita income? The average annual income of a citizen defined as per capita income. This can be arrived by deducting NSDP deducted by the state population, then we get per capita income. Okay, as on today, Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been estimated 4 concepts. Okay, right. To estimate gross state domestic product at market price, NSDP at market price, and then GSVA at basic price, the per capita income of the state. The state economy classified as 9 industries. Once again I will tell you, Directorate of Economics and Statistics estimated the GSDP. For estimating GSDP of the state, Directorate of Economics and Statistics classified the state economy as 9 industries. What they are? They are agriculture, livestock, fishing, forest and logging. The second one, mines and quarries. Then the third one is manufacturing sector. The fourth one is electricity, irrigation, gas supply. The fifth one is construction. The sixth one is trade, hotels, restaurants. Seventh one, insurance, banking, real estate. Eighth one, transport, storages, real estate. The ninth one is then community, social and personal services. Okay, as on today in Andhra Pradesh, Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been estimated GSDP and other concepts. For estimating GSDP of the state economy classified as 9 industries. But you know very well about it. The GDP calculated by the NSO. For calculating or estimating GDP, NSO divided the country's economy as 8 industries. Whereas Directorate of Economics and Statistics classified the state economy as 9 industries for estimating GSDP of the state. Okay, these 9 industries further classified as 17 economic activities. Once again, the 17 economic activities divided as 3 sectors, namely primary sector or agriculture sector, industrial sector and service sector. Once again I will tell you, for estimating GSDP of the state, Directorate of Economics and Statistics divided the state economy as 9 industries. These 9 industries further classified as 17 economic activities. The 17 economic activities divided as 3 sectors, namely agriculture sector, industrial sector, and service sector. This can be called as structure of the state economy. So, the group 1 aspirants or other competitive examination aspirants must first of all know the about structure of the economy, structure of the state economy. Okay, to know the structure of the state economy divided as 9 industries. The 9 industries further classified as 17 economic activities. The 17 economic activities further grouped as 3 sectors, namely agriculture sector, industrial sector, service sector. What is the agriculture sector? Agriculture sector consists of agriculture crops, livestock, forest and logging, and fisheries. Agriculture sector consists various economic activities like agriculture crops, livestock, forest and logging, fisheries. Once again, livestock divided as goat rearing, sheep rearing, piggery, dairy, poultry. All these are called as livestock. Livestock comprises of goat rearing, sheep rearing, piggery, mulberry, dairy, and poultry. All these economic activities called as livestock. So this is the agriculture sector. The second one is industrial sector. Industrial sector comprises of economic activities like construction, electricity, gas supply, irrigation, manufacturing sector, and mines and quarries. These economic activities defined as industrial sector. Industrial sector consists of various economic activities like mines and quarries, electricity, gas supply, irrigation, manufacturing, and construction. All these economic activities called as industrial sector. And then the third one is service sector. Service sector consists of various economic activities like trade, hotels, restaurants, then transport, communication, real estate, insurance, banking, storages, and then community services, social services, personal services, and other services. All these economic activities grouped as service sector. By this way, Directorate of Economics and Statistics divided the state economy for estimating gross state domestic product of the state. Here sometimes a questions may ask like that, like this. Who has been estimated Gsdp in the state? Directorate of Economics and Statistics. To estimate Gsdp of the state, Directorate of Economics and Statistics divided the state economy into how many industries? 9 industries. NSO divided the country's economy into how many industries? 8 industries. The 9 industries further classified as how many economic activities? 17 economic activities. The 17 economic activities divided how many sectors? 3 sectors. What they are? Agriculture sector, industrial sector, and service sector. Okay, this can be called as structure of the economy. Now we are going to be discussing how Directorate of Economics and Statistics estimated the Gsdp of a state. Then how Directorate of Economics and Statistics estimate Gsdp in the state. Directorate of Economics and Statistics estimate the Gsdp with 3 methods, namely production method, income method, expenditure method. Okay, right. Sometimes a question may ask like this. Directorate of Economics and Statistics estimate the Gsdp into how many methods? 3 methods. What they are? One is production method. Second one is income method. The third one is expenditure method. As on today, this has been estimated the Gsdp of state with the 3 methods, namely the first one is production method, the second one is income method, the third one is expenditure method. Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been estimated income with production methods in economic activities like agriculture crops, livestock, forest and logging, fisheries, mines and quarries, manufacturing sector. In all these economic activities, income has been estimated with production method by this. Then income method. So while at the time of discussing income method, here we have to discuss these economic activities as supra-regional sectors and other sectors. Here I used the word supra-regional sector. Supra-regional sector means in every state some economic activities are there in the state boundaries and has been managed by the government of India. Such economic activities called as supra-regional sector. What is a supra-regional sector? Supra-regional sector means any economic activity is located in the state geographical area and has been managed by the government of India. Such a economic activity defined as supra-regional sector. In the state economy, there are several supra-regional sectors are there, like insurance, banking, rail transport, railways, postal, telecommunications, telephones, communications, civil aviation, archaeology department, museums, national parks, all are located within the political boundaries of the state and has been managed by the government of India, administered by the government of India. If any economic activity located within the political boundaries of the state and has been administered or governed by the government of India or union government, such sectors called as supra-regional sectors. In these supra-regional sector, income has been calculated by NSO and assigned to every state approximately. In the rest of the economic activities like trade, hotels, restaurants, road transport, water transport, storages, own dwellings, real estate, social services, community services, and professional services. In all these economic activities, income has been estimated by DES. Income has been estimated by DES with income method. With income method. Right. The Directorate of Economics and Statistics has been estimated income with income method in the following economic activities like trade, hotels, restaurants, road transport, water transport, storages, own dwellings, real estates, social services, community services, and professional services. In addition to this, in supra-regional sector, income has been estimated by NSO with income method and proportionately allocated to every state. And finally, expenditure method. As on today, Directorate of Economics and Statistics estimated the income in construction activity with expenditure methods. So, here we may conclude that Directorate of Economics and Statistics estimate the Gsdp into how many methods? 3 methods. What they are? One is production method, the second one is income method, the third one is expenditure method. In which method Gsdp estimated, in which economic activity Gsdp estimated with income method? One is A, trade. The second one is manufacturing sector. The third one is fisheries. The fourth one is livestock. If the question asked like this, the answer is trade. Okay, by observing this table, this data, you can easily remember the points. So, from now onwards, in regular classes, in every class, I am explaining the state economy by this way. If I explain the state economy by this way, you can easily remember the points in examination also.